Hello,
Hello,
my name is Thananat Waralaki.
my name is Jingana Sosai.
We are from Morning Sam.
Today we're going to talk about heat and state of matters. So let's start.
What is heat? Heat is a transfer of kinetic energy from one medium or objective to another or from an energy source to a medium or object. Such energy transfers can occur in three ways: radiation, conduction, and convection.
What are state of matters? State of matter is one of the distinct forms in which matter can exist. First states of matter are observable in everyday life: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma.
Solid. A solid is a state of matter which has a fixed shape, mass, and volume. It shows very small change in volume by changing the temperature.
Liquid. A liquid has a defined volume but no fixed shape. Examples of liquid include water, oil, and blood. A liquid is a state of matter that has a definite volume but no fixed shape. In other words, a liquid takes the shape of its container.
Gas. Gas is a type of matter that has no defined shape or volume. Gas can be made up of a single element such as hydrogen gas H2 and compounds such as carbon dioxide CO2 or a mixture of several gas.
Plasma. Plasma is along with solid, liquid, and gas, just as a liquid will boil, changing into a gas when energy is added. Heating a gas will form a plasma, a soup of positively charged particles and negatively charged particles. Okay, so we're gonna start with uh, our neon. The first state is solid. Uh, for the solid, if we add heat to it, let's see. Uh, After we add heat to it, the neon just spread to the other part of the box, as you can see. And then when we add a cool, the neons start to stay in the shape. From the first, the neon just spread to each other, don't stick to each other. But after we add a cool, the neon just say stick with each other. It's always the same. If we start the neon with a solid, when we add heat, it will become liquid, and at last it will become the gas. Yeah. And also, if it's a gas, when we add cool to it, it will become liquid, then it will get back and become solid. Here. It will take time to increase and decrease the temperature. Now on, here, the neon just become a solid again. Next, for the again, we start from the solid. When we add heat, it will become a liquid. And at last, it will express the shape into the gas. And it will spread outside. Here, also, when we add cool to it, it will become a liquid again, and at last, it will just become a normal solid. It takes time because we just add heat to it. Here, it starts to be in shape. Cool. And next, for the oxygen. Oxygen, it's kind of a gas, so maybe we'll start with the gas. When we add heat, nothing happened because it's already a gas, but it might just flow heavier. Then when we add cool, it will start to shape here and become a liquid. After that, when it increases the cool, decrease the temperature, the oxygen will stick to each other like this. The last one is the water. We'll start with liquid. Okay, so we add more heat and the water will become a gas. And if we add a cool, the temperature will decrease, and at last it will just become a normal liquid and become a solid, as we call an ice. You can see that it will stick to each other. Difference when we add a heat. Okay, so that's all for today.